Shalom, shalom, Jerusalem. Peace be to you. When Messiah comes to take us home, may his praise be found in you.
Good morning, Earthlings. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I got my box from Israel. You want to see what's in it? Well, I can't wait. Anyway, good morning, Earthlings. Remember when I did this picture? Well, now she's ready for the cover for the book. So I'm going to go on to Picmonkey, and I'm going to turn this into that. And you're going to get to see it. And you're going to get to see what I got from Israel. And maybe I'm going to do a little dance or something. I'm excited. Anyway, in here, in the fabulous Traveling Art Studio. I didn't think this box was ever going to come, but it did. I'm supporting the artists in Israel by buying this box. It's so exciting. Just to think that just a couple days ago, this box was in Israel. That's where my ancestors are from. That's where Yeshua lived. The people that live there, they put this box together for me. And I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited. It says Shalom and welcome to the Lev Haolom family. Holy cow. Oh. I'm gonna come down to earth now. Look, you gotta see what's in here. Oh, neat. It talks about all the different people. Oh, neat. Oh. Well, it was Moses, wasn't it, who said he's going to take the children of Israel to the land of milk and honey, and this is what he was talking about. My ancestors hung around in the desert for 40 years for this. I think it was well worth the wait. I tried the toothpaste. It was really tastes good. I got all the stuff off my teeth. This is skincare. Ooh, this is the fancy stuff. Look at this tube. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, just don't mess with my wrinkles. I like my wrinkles. Ooh. I like that. That feels really good. Anyway, I really gotta get back to work because I can't, I just can't just get distracted and just go off. So what I'm gonna do, hear my neighbor singing? He's singing all the time out there. He must feel really happy living here because he's singing up a storm all the time. Anyway, I gotta get back to this. So I think what I'll do is I'll just go real fast so you can see what I did. update? I'm trying. Here's this little bag. Wow. There it is. There it is. I gotta see. You're good. Thank you. I don't know, I think it was a couple years ago that Janet wanted me to do the illustration for her book. So I went to work and I came up with this. It was such a neat picture. So now she wants this to actually be on the book. So we have to put all the words in it and everything. Well, as you can see, I already got started with that a while ago. And this purple was a big wedding color. But she wants it a little bit more purple than that. Anyway, let's take a look at what I got so far. So anyway, that's what the cover of the book is going to look like, I suppose. That covers up my signature on my picture, doesn't it? Does that matter? My signature is right there. Well, how about if we make it a lighter font? That melts in too much. Here. I don't know. I thought I had a perfect. No, I didn't. We just move it around a bit, I guess. That's all we do. Move it around until it looks just right. Oh, man. This is cool. What is it? Oh, isn't that sweet? Oh, that's nice. I was so intrigued about the Dead Sea Scrolls for years, and this here is from the Dead Sea. Yeah. It's in a grinder. I'm gonna grind it for the Dead Sea, where those scrolls were found. That's really salty. Oh boy. Oh man, it's got a flavor to it that's like, it makes you, just your head goes into the wilderness. I see scrolls. I see Bedouins with goats. Thanks, that's great. Okay. Now we're all salty. This is the olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. I cheated. I already tried some of this. I think she wanted me to put it in here. I'll put it in here. So it's pretty. I love that. Alright. Now I'm gonna taste it. I am. Well. Oh boy. Have it, close your eyes. You see all these olive trees. It's amazing. Jeez. I want to go there now. Well. Anyway, thanks for this. Was neat. Olive oil and this thing. I love it. And the salt. It was great. All of it. Oh, I had so much fun with that box. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, looks like it fits right in. She made that just for me. This here needs to be bigger. Lev Haolom. Thank you for this box of goodies. It really made me It was fun. You can see. Thank you all the different artists and all the different people that put together these boxes. I know it's really hard to live in Israel, and I support you. Yeah, but someday we'll all get to go to Israel. But for right now, thank you so much for my little box of goodies. I appreciate it. That concludes the box from Israel. Oh, that was so much fun. Alright. Now I think I better get busy with the other stuff that I have to do today. Oh, if you want to order one of these, I'll put the link in the description. I don't get anything from them. I'm just glad that I can help by telling you what's in the box. Maybe it'll intrigue you. Maybe you'll want to buy one too. Oh, what fun was that? Anyway, I better get to work. Well, I was really glad to be involved in Janet's book cover process. But before I send it off to her, I'm going to have an expert proof it for me. I'm here with my granddaughter Petra. Say hi, Petra. Hello. So Petra, I want you to see my picture and tell me what you think about it, okay? You're my expert. It's for a book. You like it? Well, I worked really, really hard on the cover for that book, so I would just ask God to bless the book. And as soon as it comes out, I'll let you know. Please subscribe, comment. I love all that. I hope you find your Yah. I'm going to work. You're like, alright, you're going to tell us how to find the Yah. I think I have been. When I say find your Yah, it's because you can find God in everything you do. That's how you find your Yah. That's right, Howard. Howard's always got his Yah.